Hi there! Today I will show you how to crochet amazing project that I created recently for you. For this one I will use 1.4mm crochet hook, a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. You can use any kind of yarn, please join me. To start the lace by making a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The foundation chain is ready. Then chain of 3 for the chain space 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. Make double crochet into the 4th chain stitch. Then chain of 2. Then yarn over, then skip 2 chain stitches and double crochet into the 3rd stitch. Then chain of 2, yarn over the hook and double crochet into the 3rd stitch. Row 1 is ready. Let's crochet row 2. Chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work and double crochet into the stitch. Chain of 2, yarn over and double crochet into the stitch of the previous row. Chain of 2 and double crochet into the double crochet. Row 2 is ready. Let's crochet row 3. Then chain of 3, turn the work and double crochet into the double crochet. Chain of 2 and double crochet into the double crochet. Row 3 is ready. So in total it should be 8 rows. And now I show you what I'm doing next. There is the ready example, and this is my current lace. So I need to do 8 rows in total. Let's count in the ready lace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are 4 chain spaces on the one side and 4 chain spaces on the another one. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 chain space that I joined before. Then you should crochet 5 more rows by yourself. I am done all 8 rows as I told you before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything is correct. So now I can continue. Make a chain of 10 for the chain space. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. I skip this chain space and work with the next one. Make single crochet. My chain space is joined. Then chain of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I skip the next chain space and work with the second one. Make single crochet. I continue working on my lace. I turn the work. work into the chain space. Now I'm going to work with petals. Make single crochet, half double crochet, and 13 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. I am done 13 double crochet. Make half double crochet into the same chain space and single crochet. My cute petal is ready. Work into the next chain space. Make 2 single crochet. Continue. Make a chain of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn the work. I skip 2 stitches. I will count all stitches that I did in the previous chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I insert the hook into the 10th stitch. Make single crochet. So my chain space is joined. Turn the work. So I working in the same way as I showed you before. Work into the chain space. I am beginning and you will continue by yourself. Make single crochet, half double crochet, and 13 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Then you should work by yourself. I am done 13 double crochet. Work into the same chain space, make half double crochet, and single crochet. Make single crochet and single crochet one more time into the next chain space. Well done. Then I'm going to work with next petal. I'm going to do in the same way as I showed you in the previous time. Make a chain of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn the work. I skip these 2. Work with stitches that I did into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Work with 10th stitch. Make single crochet. Then turn the work and work into the same chain space. Make single crochet, half double crochet, and 13 double crochet, and so on. 1. Let's stop and look at my ready job. Then we should continue working on petals. In total it should be 5 of them. I begin the third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should continue by yourself and work with another 2. Working in this way till the end of this row. In total it should be 5 of them. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I will show you how to continue working on the lace. I have done all 5 petals. Let's stop and look at my work. So I repeat my pattern. After I have done 2 single crochet into the chain space, chain of 2, then double crochet into the double crochet. Chain of 2 and double crochet, chain of 2 and double crochet. So the 9th row is ready. Let's crochet row 10. Chain of 5 for the chain space, turn the work and double crochet into the double crochet, chain of 2, double crochet, chain of 2 and double crochet. Row 10 is done. Let's crochet row 11. To start the 11th row, make a chain, I skip 2 single crochet and count from the first stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert the hook into the 7th stitch. Make single crochet, then chain and turn the work and double crochet into the stitch of the previous row, chain of 2 and double crochet, chain of 2 and double crochet. I connected my segment. As you can see, my 11th row is ready. So let's crochet the next one. Make a chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook and double crochet into the double crochet. Chain of 2 and double crochet into the double crochet. Chain of 2 and double crochet into the double crochet. I'm done the 12th row, and let's stop at this point and look at my lace. So my small piece of pattern that consists of 12 rows is ready. And now I show you how to continue the work. As you can see, I'm done the first piece of pattern. Each piece of pattern consists of 12 rows. Then you should continue working on the lace and make 8 more rows and crochet 5 segments or 5 petals in the same way as I did in this video tutorial. I will begin the second piece of pattern and you should continue by yourself as many times as you need. And let's look at my ready job. And now I show you how to continue my lace. It is going to be the second piece of pattern that consists of 12 rows, chain of 3, as I did here, turn the work and double crochet into the double crochet, chain of 2, chain of 2 and double crochet. Then you should continue working by yourself as many times as you need. You should follow this step-by-step video tutorial. Go back this video and you can follow the instruction again with me. So that's it. My lace is ready. It consists of only 3 huge segments. Each small piece consists of 12 rows. You can use it like an edging or trim. Also, it could be perfect like a collar or choker, bracelet, necklace, or it could be like a decoration for home. Also, you can join this lace to the main pattern to create a large piece of work. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. Please write comment below the video what you will get with my video tutorials and where you will use my patterns. I remind you, this is my own pattern. I created this lace recently for you, so please enjoy. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!